Court for that hearing, and joining us now live from the Daly Center with more. Hi, Mike.
And hello, good evening to both of you, Micah and Ray. Here at the Daly Center, a Cook County judge asked pointed questions of both sides today in court. He will now consider both of their arguments over the weekend before issuing his ruling on Monday.
Hold the line. That's the motto.
Fraternal Order of Police President John Catanzara is telling Chicago police officers to continue to challenge the city's vaccine mandate as a county judge considers the case.
We're simply asking this judge to force the city to stop their policy, put officers back to work, and force the city to go back to the bargaining table at arbitration.
As of today, 31 CPD officers are on no pay status for failing to comply with the mandate, but the union estimates as many as 3,000 officers are not in compliance. The Fraternal Order of Police filed an emergency motion asking a judge for a temporary restraining order to block the city's vaccine mandate. Judge Raymond Mitchell considered arguments from lawyers for the union who stated that the city's policy violated the officers' labor contract by changing conditions of their employment without going through the collective bargaining process. Judge Mitchell said to the union's lawyer, quote, "There's a certain saying in labor cases, obey now, grieve later." What does that mean? It means you take a certain risk if you don't comply. Lawyers for the city said the union dragged its feet in the bargaining process, saying union officials were, in essence, bad faith actors with, quote, unclean hands in the situation. The city's attorney argued that the mandate has an overwhelming public health benefit, but the judge seemed concerned that while back pay could be a remedy in arbitration, a vaccine shot could not be undone. Quote, "Isn't there a real risk that they'll lose their day in court if they submit to the vaccine before their claims are adjudicated?" he asked.
Our residents expect them to abide by their oath and not act like they are above the law.
Earlier in the day, Mayor Lori Lightfoot appeared on national cable TV to argue for the mandate.
I'm determined to make sure that we maximize our opportunity to have a safe workplace. And the only way to do that is to get people vaccinated.
And there is another challenge to the mandate. This one will take place tomorrow at City Hall. About a dozen city council members are forcing a special meeting for a vote on a proposal that would repeal the vaccine mandate entirely. Reporting live outside of the Daly Center, Mike Lowe, WGN News.
Thanks, Mike. In Elk Grove Village, the mayor said